everyone, this is Selena for Trinity Stamps, and we're taking a closer look at the Majestic Unicorn 4x4 stamp set and coordinating dies that are part of the Enchanted Woods April 2022 release. So this is 4x4 stamp set. It has 11 different stamps. It has one large unicorn and 10 more supporting sentiments and images. Also, there is a die set available that has 8 dies, one for the large unicorn, and plus sentiments and 3 of the stars. So here you can see I have stamped all the images on A2 panel, and also I have stamped and die cut the images that with the coordinating dies. Also sold separately, it's available a quick coloring stencil. So you can add quickly color and create gradient effect, or even use it with different texture paste. So here's another sample where I've stamped a die cut and used that stencil on the unicorn. So let's take a closer look at a few samples from our creative team. Again, the image is 3¼ inches tall by 3 wide, so it fits perfectly on any size card. You can use it on A2, you can use it on mini slimline, or even on A7 cards. Thank you so much for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and also visit our blog for more ideas and more inspiration. Thanks for watching. Bye!